Hi everyone, I'm Kate and I'm just going to dive right into my first goal. First of all, I was looking at number 5 on the general course objectives, which is build a body of research in the various stages of the research process, and that really stuck out to me because I want to become more comfortable with the research process for an academic paper. I've written lots of speeches before, so I'm used to the research when it comes to a persuasive speech, but not so much with an academic paper, and I'd like to become more comfortable with that format, just because giving a speech and writing a paper are completely different. And my second goal would be to easily evaluate the credibility of sources, and we can see that also for number 6 for the general course objectives. We're in a world of mass media and media consumption, and it's important now more than ever to be able to identify credible sources in all ways of life, whether that be just a random tweet on Twitter or a legitimate article. I think it's a skill that we all need to really hone in on, especially now. And lastly, my last goal is just to become more comfortable with the school routine again. Obviously, it's been a weird couple of months with quarantine, and I've kind of fallen out of the habit of a structured routine, especially in terms of school and a workload. And I'd really want to create that structure again and be on top of my due dates. And yeah, especially in time for fall quarter for school. Those are my 3 goals so far. I'm sure there will be more to come. Bye!